I hope you guys are ready for an Alipearl Hair exclusive. Ooh, that's pretty. Before we get into the hair, let's get into this box, honey, because we love gifts. Now, this box came with the Alipearl Hair edge wrap. Now, you just wrap your hair, your edges with this, and it is wonderful. Love the branding. It came with a cap and an adjustable strap. Now, let's get into this hair, honey. This hair is a 5x5, 24-inch, 180% density body wave unit, okay? Push through, mother. She has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps will kind of forever. Now, this hair is stunning. This hair has very minimal shedding and it does not tangle at all. Now, I know this unit is a little bit more pricey than what we're used to, but I'm going to leave coupon details in the description box, so check them out. There is a coupon code. Now, let's go through and straighten this unit. We're just going to add some, we added our heat protectant to it, and we're just chasing our flat iron with our rat tail comb to get mother bone straight. Okay, I just cannot wait for you guys to see the finished product on this one. This unit is fantastic. You really have to check out AlipearlHair.com. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So we're just going to get into our Alipearl Hair. Now, she's been fried, dyed, and mother has been laid to the side. Okay, so we're just going to get into her. Let me throw a cap on. All right. So again, we have dyed her jet black. Look how beautiful she is. No tangles at all. Okay, so I'm super obsessed with that. She again has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable strap. Good night. You guys, I have the medium size cap and it is very big head friendly. So I suggest that if you have a smaller head, definitely opt into getting the small cap size. So what I did was I actually went in and laid down my edges just in case they showed a bit, wouldn't be a problem. We're just going to take our LA Pro Grow Concealer and just hit up our part a bit. She already look a little bit bright. We just want to hit her up a little bit more in the front. Just like right in here. Let me tell you something. This unit is fire because you do not have to lay her and you do not have to glue her down. Which I don't think I'm going to. I'm definitely not gluing her down. I was going to say I don't think I'm not going to do it. It's no reason to. I know this unit is a little bit more expensive, but this is some of the best hair. And I've been doing quite a few human hair units. After having dyed her, blow dried her out. Let me stand up for you. After having dyed her, blow dried her out, and gotten her together, I could not be more happy with the outcome. Like, she is stunning, guys. Like, good night. Look at how I have some special things I'm doing with this unit, so I'm actually super happy the way she turned out. So she gonna be a much bigger deal than what I'm letting on, but look at that. See, when you lay your edges, and you might want to lay it down like right here, but you really do not have to, because when you lay your edges, it makes it look like more seamless. Like, it's not even a problem. Like, I've never actually had a unit from Alipearl Hair, and they came through with the came through, okay? This was a body wave unit. I washed her, okay? Came through, wash mother. Dyed her down with our Revlon $4 dye, okay? And came through with this Loving Sex and Magic. I couldn't be happier. I cannot be happy. I'm like, I was a little bit worried, but was I? Alipearl Hair came through with the came through. So one of the other great things about this unit is because it's a 6x6 lace front, you can shift her. Okay, so this is her on the side, which I love this look too. Okay, this is her on the side. And let's just shift her. Let me give you guys a better look. All right, and then this is her back in the middle. Okay, so you obviously can just, like, you know, lay your part as a side part, but you also could just shift the unit. This is easiness I'm always talking about. You want to just be able to throw something on and keep it and move it. Ooh. Listen now. We deserve all things. But this unit right here, this one is a good one, y'all. I'm happy with this. Like, really, really, really happy with this. Now, if you have not already, check out Alipearl Hair. They are worth it. This unit is absolutely positively worth it. She is lightweight. She is stunning. She has not tangled up once. Not once, okay? And I think that you guys need to get into this. Wait till I show you what we're working on with this one, okay? I'm so excited for you guys to see it. So if you have not already, bust down. I'm going to come back and do an update on this one because she deserves all of the affection and attention because she is coming through. Alipearl. Alipearl, this what you wanted, honey? Nice to meet you. I feel like me and her about to elope. If you have not already busted down, do not forget. And I will see you guys on the other side.